Hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today we got another one from Zenpop. Go to zenpop.jp and use the coupon code the Ramen Raider to get yourself a nice discount. And we've got, where'd it go? I had it. Here it is. This is Myojo Mode Gakuen, garlic Tonkotsu Shoyu Tonkotsu. It's a lot of garlic in this one, so let's get to it. Here it is. This one takes 340 milliliters of water, which we have right here. So we are going to dump in the essentials. The soup base and loose stuff from the cup. And the noodle block. This one will take a little bit of help, but not enough to change anything really to speak of. So let's look at our quote of the day from the book Momo Fukuendo Speaks. These are quotes by the guy who invented the instant noodle. Yes, yes, and yes. Today's quote is number 244. Humans can't do anything if they don't eat. Only after their hunger has been appeased can they turn to enjoying music or art or literature. Interesting. So speaking of literature, I was talking to our friend and colleague, Mr. Matthew Bella. If you go to matthewbella.com, you can see all his stuff and things. But yeah, I was talking to him on the phone yesterday and it occurred to me, I was like, you know, I wonder what the saddest sentence that anybody has ever written is. And then, or the saddest paragraph. And he's like, well, what about the saddest paragraph? No, sentence. So I looked it up. What's the saddest paragraph? And it turns out, what's his name? Writer guy. Guy with writing. Now I can't remember his name. It's like one of the most well-known authors of the 20th century. Anyways, he did a bet with his cronies of who could make the most saddest sentence. And the one that won, I believe, was his. And it reads like this. For sale, baby shoes, never worn. Like, that's pretty bleak, yeah? I was thinking the next time I go downtown with my sidewalk chalk, maybe I'll write that in the tunnel. Hemingway, Ernest Hemingway. But yeah, so there we go. Now we're getting happy and hydrated. Sometimes you gotta help these along a little bit. Sometimes what I'll do is I'll do this and do it in a measuring cup. Only 30 seconds left. It is a dark, dismal day today. It's a little breezy. It looks like it could rain any second. In fact, it looks like maybe it's been raining. Yeah, that's not the way it's been lately, that's for sure. It's been really nice and sunny and everything, and now it's just all into poop. So, we'll see how it ends up. Okay, let's... Now okay, so if you have Japanese varieties, you do all that. You do the dry ingredients in. This is a paste sachet or a seasoned oil or whatever you want to call it. Get this here. Turn this off. It's very hard to look at my camera while it's rotating. Wow, this smells garlicky. So yeah, this one is some kind of collaboration between Myojo, Japan, and this Mode Gakuen place, which is a vocational school Now this is called Friday Garlic Tonkotsu Shoyu, or Shoyu Tonkotsu, or something like that. And the little liner notes that come with the Zenpop boxes, it was mentioning how Friday is the day to enjoy garlic. Is it? I had no idea. Okay, that should do the trick. So this should be like ultra garlicky, like mind-numbingly garlicky. We'll see how it goes. The noodles look all right. It definitely has a strong garlic taste, that's for sure. There's the broth. Oh yeah. I approve. Don't do drugs, stay in school. Do like Mr. T says. You're doing a good job. All right. Hop on in, nudes. And I am going to remove some of these noodles. Wow, it's starting to get blustery out there. Maybe another bit. All right. What do we need? I got a nice porky bit or something. Yeah, whatever it was nice. But we need chashu. We are looking into making our own. When that does occur eventually, there will be a recipe that we come up with that everybody can enjoy, learn, and use. So keep on top of things. I have to go get more mung bean sprouts. Those are kind of leaning towards the getting a little on towards the happy hunting grounds. Now, don't cry for me, magic egg. Oh, we've got an odd one here. No, maybe not too odd, but it didn't seem like it was gonna behave. They behaved relatively well. Again, my wife, she is the legend. She makes eggs. She makes eggs. Beautiful eggs, beautiful children. My wife, the kitten. I am thrilled to call mine own. And what else is going on? Her birthday. She is going to be 21 again. I don't like it there. Oh, I don't know. Fly casual. You're right there. I don't know, black sesame seeds or. Sprinkle. Let's go with some oil. A little bit of shichimi. I think I kind of screwed the pooch with that oil a little bit. Kind of screwed the pooch. But that'll work. That'll work. This is a tasty one. It's nice and refreshing to be able to be doing these again. Thank you to the folks over at Myojo and Rotato. Do your business. All right, we got one more to do today. Wow. Yeah. So, the one you'll see tomorrow, this is like the featured fancy. They always have like a nice yakisoba that come in these zenpop boxes. That incidentally, you can get them over at zenpop.jp and use the coupon code the Ramen Raider or just the Ramen Raider and get Yulful Yakisoba. And this one is the white, which, so it's basically, from what they're saying, this tastes exactly the same as the regular red bowl one, except this one has no coloring. So it's like, tastes like regular yakisoba, but it's completely white. I don't know that I like that. We'll see how it goes. Well, it's Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment in your noodles each and every day. Have a good one and bye.